Hi friends, this video shows how to fix voice control not working issue. So first go to accounts or profiles. Select this accounts icon from top right corner. Then go to manage accounts. Then select one account. Then go down and select Google Assistant. Then select voice control. So we should enable this voice control. Then only this voice control or Google Assistant will work. You can see right now it's off. Let me turn on voice control. Select it, then press OK button on the remote. Done. So this way we can turn on voice control and fix a voice control not working issue. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.